Need to send photos from your computer instead of your phone? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to send photos in Google Messages for web step by step. We'll cover how to attach images, preview them before sending, and share high-quality photos with your contacts. Before sending photos, make sure your Android phone is paired with Google Messages for web. Once your devices are connected, your conversations will automatically sync to your browser. Next, open an existing conversation or click the New Chat button to start messaging someone new. Choose the contact you want to send the photo to before adding your attachment. Click the attachment or image icon near the message box. Browse your computer and select the photo you want to send. You can also drag and drop a supported image directly into the conversation window in many browsers. After selecting your image, you'll usually see a preview before sending. If you'd like, type a short message or caption to go along with the photo before sending everything together. When everything looks good, click the Send button. Google Messages will upload the photo and deliver it to your contact. So, if both people are using RCS chat, supported images are often sent in higher quality than traditional MMS. If your photo doesn't send, first check your internet connection and make sure your phone is still paired with Google Messages for web. You can also refresh the browser or try using a smaller image if the file is unusually large. And that's how to send photos in Google Messages for web. Once your phone is connected, sharing pictures from your computer is quick and convenient. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more helpful technology guides, and thanks for watching.